Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan BLT using a secret ingredient, which is tempeh, to make the vegan bacon. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. For our tempeh bacon, or our vegan bacon, we're going to make our marinade in a shallow dish so that we can fully marinate our tempeh strips in that. I've got 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, in 1 1/2 teaspoons of liquid smoke, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon or just a dash of onion powder. I'm going to whisk that marinade together. I have about 200 grams of tempeh, 1 package of tempeh. We're going to cut that into 12 equal strips. Now this one actually already comes pre-cut, so that's exactly what we're looking for. Something in and around that is perfect. So I'm going to add these right into the marinade. Now at this point, while you're allowing that tempeh to marinate, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees if you're going to be baking these in the oven like I'm going to be doing. If you want, I'm going to put the instructions for the air fryer version up above so you can make these in your air fryer, and I'm going to put the pan fried instructions over here as well. So if you want to make these in your air fryer or fry them in a pan, they taste amazing any which way you make them, all thanks to this marinade. Flip those around and get the marinade on every side of these. So my tofu has been marinating for 15 minutes, so now I have a baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm just going to start placing these on. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and we are just going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and then we're going to flip these. Now make sure you don't throw away your marinade, because we are going to need that at the halfway point. All right, we are at the halfway mark. I've got my leftover marinade here, nice and close, and I'm just going to brush that on before I flip these, and I'm going to brush it on the other side as well. All right, now I'm just gonna flip them all over. Oven for another 10 minutes. So this recipe actually makes enough for 3 sandwiches, but we're just gonna be making 2 sandwiches here today. So normally you would need 6 slices of bread, but I've just got 4 here today. So I've got some nice sourdough bread, so delicious. One of the things I'd recommend for a BLT is actually buttering and toasting your bread if you want to just enhance the flavor. So I've got some vegan butter here, and I am just going to butter up this sourdough. Now I'm just going to toast these lightly in the pan until they're nice and golden. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Right now for these BLTs, of course, we'll need some lettuce and we'll need some tomato. So I've got this beautiful tomato here, and I won't need the whole thing, but this is going to be perfect for slicing. So 1 large tomato should really do the trick. 1 to 2 large tomatoes. Just going to cut some beautiful slices. Wow. Now to assemble our sandwiches, we are going to put a nice thick layer of vegan mayo on each side of the toast, fresh ground black pepper, little salt, slice of tomato. Oh wow, this is really coming together. Then 4 strips of our tempeh bacon, and top it with some lettuce. And keep watching if you want to see the taste test to see what I thought of this and what my husband thought of this sandwich, this vegan BLT. Time for the taste test. This looks so good. That was so good. Wow.
So nice. Wow.
So good. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make a vegan BLT. This is such an amazing sandwich. I hope you guys love this video. If you want to see more videos like this, more vegan sandwiches, more healthy sandwiches, all kinds of healthy recipes, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.